Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find About Phone. Then let's scroll and find Backup and Restore. And here scroll down to find this Google Backup section. Let's tap on Backup. Tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and then tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's totally up to you, so just mark the option and then tap on Confirm, tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got the information, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, we have to simply tap on Backup now, and of course confirm everything with your screen lock. And now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.